Oh. Yeah, on a lighter review. It's a Zippo. It's not so long back, you know. I've filled it, but it's the first time I've used it today. So I'm gonna show you now. It's a Zippo. And it's high polished brass armour. I love all my brass lighters. I love the gold brass polished. Yeah. So we'll open her up. Get your inside, your receipt, your guarantee and all that in there. Usual business. And we'll put that in there in a minute, slot it in. There you go. That's what you've got. Armour case. Made in the USA there at the top. Nice polished look. See myself in it. We'll take it out. Gotta say, when I got it, see how the barrels are really off, they were offline, quite offline. And that one still is a little bit. But they do come like that, the Zippos. Slightly shorter in size. But they've got a lot thicker casing. Well, not a lot thicker. About 1.5 times as thick as a standard Zippo case. Yeah, it's got the distinctive symbol. You've got that on the bottom there, this here, for armour. If you look at the bottom of there, you got your thingy on there. This is a 23. And you've got your little armour sign down here. You've got a brass chromed insert, brass insert, gold insert, which I love. Does sound different to your normal Zippo. It's got a little bit of a different noise on it. Yeah, this is let's have a look. I think it's a D. My eyes are working right. 23 plate. I think the insert, so just have a look, I've filled this not so long back. Yeah, the insert's a different reg, slightly different reg, C. So it's just one before. Sometimes they never match the outside, but it don't matter. Because they use some up from earlier ones they make, so they'll just put them in because they're all the same. Beautiful lighter, really nice. It is one of my first armours, I think, I've got. It does have a different sound to a normal, your normal standard Zippo, because of the casing being a bit thicker. Look. Five barrel, but they're always like offline and stuff, sometimes, not all of them. I've got a few ones that have come and they're really straight barrel, but on this one, a bit offline, but it is thicker, slightly shorter in size, stumpier, bit more like a size of the 40 41 replica, 42 replica. We'll light half the ciggy here. We'll light up, see how we go. But yeah, definitely one to get to your collection. You can see that one there, that one barrel there. It's off the line, and there's quite a gap there between it. You see? But they're a beautiful lighter. You do get a different thing on the bottom there, look. Armour. It's like on a shield type thing. But yeah, it's fringe. Slight bit of wobble on it. Beautiful polished Zippo though. You can see. And it's slightly different inside. You've got that's the sign you have on the bottom. And it tells you a little bit about it inside. Armour case. I think it says 169 or 69. High polish brass armour heavy. It's a 23 plate on bottom. Your Bradford PA and all that at bottom there. And I got this when I signed up to a new Wi-Fi company. If somebody signs you up or you sign someone else up and put them onto them, they give you a 50 quid voucher, Amazon voucher, and I got that through that. I think it was about 45 quid or something for the Armour, which is expensive for a lighter. But those are dear, quite dear Zippo. But other than that, people, slightly thicker casing, slightly thicker inside as well. Nicely shiny everywhere. You will get fingerprints on it, being the hard polish one. Other than that, there you go, people. Hard polished Armour Zippo. Get yourself one to collection. I like it. Just basically just breaking it in now because of got a different noise, definitely, to a standard Zippo. There you go, people. Get yourself one. Nice lighter. If you haven't got one to your collection, get one. It's my first Armour, I think, to the collection. There you go, people. See you later.